Alright, we're back. Oh, I just remembered another part I forgot. Damn it. Alright, spent the last, I don't know, hour looking for parts upstairs. Could not find my heavy duty chain shoe that I specially kept before I could use. Figures, can't find squat. So I used my normal stuff. This is stock replacement for a cone motor. Not that piece. So that's the screws for holding that in. This is the heavy duty shovel head one here. Not that stupid evil one with a stove bolt. This is the part that goes up and down. This is the outside plate that goes on there, and the shoe goes in the middle. Need a couple bolts, and there's a lock cap. And I forgot to bring the shim pack for doing the compensator sprocket elimination deal. I'm putting a solid sprocket on it. I do got my heavy duty nut. Boom. If I want to use it. Alright, so that's going to be a whole nother problem. That's another hour away probably. Okay, I went ahead and pressed out the hub out of the other one over there. So that's what it looks like. This has a lot taller clutch stack in it. And this is taller than this one when you put this plate in there. This big thick one is the back plate. Okay, so when you measure from here to here, this one here is 100 thou less than this one. Even though the clutch baskets are the same height. Boom. Same thing. Two different clutches. Design changes. This is Indian. Who knows what they did. Okay, it looks like the stud is the same height. I'm trying to figure out where they made the difference up. 922 roughly. 980. 980. One inch. As it's moving side to side on me. 980. Yeah, it's the same. 600 roughly. Oh. 670. 600. Well, there's your difference there. 600. That's a lot deeper. But when you measure from here to here, 1850, 750, 760. So this one's cut deeper, so the pressure plate goes down further, so you run less plates. So Indian made their system 2 plates less, so I guess over 10 bikes you save a clutch, or $2, or 5 bikes. Every 5 bikes you change, you gain a clutch, or whatever it works out being. Penny pinchers. Alright, so this one is cut less depth, so works better, but I don't know why it would make any difference. It'll still go up or down the same amount. So the basket's the same depth, so I don't see how you can't put either one, neither one. These are all the same height, so what the hell's the difference? Okay, so this here plate needs to be turned down to fit inside of here. Boom! So that needs to be done. And I'm not sure how far to go, except to measure when it fits. Doesn't have to be that big, that small. It needs to go down about that far. Alright. Let's go see if we can figure out what that's going to be. I need this, this, and this. Got a handy dandy lathe over here. Sometimes I know how to use it. Commenters say otherwise at times. That's good. They all have opinions, even when they don't mean shit. Okay. Got one more day and a half maybe to get this bike done. 2 days if I stretch it way out. I'd rather not stretch it way out. Ugh. Okay. That's as good as you're going to get on seeing what I'm working on over here. If I go really high, as far as we go, unless I extend it up more, it should be high enough to see something, I guess. Blow it up a little bit, help. There, everybody happy? I don't know. Leave the comments if you want better views of the lathe work. Okay. Make sure you cut down the correct one. It goes in there somehow. Or not. Not even close. Problem is going to the next one, the shoes will probably come out. Yeah, there's a piece of crap in there. Ah, plenty big enough. All right. Five. Or thereabouts. Okay, if I stack a couple of those in there, and get a little bit further. We need to be under 5.6, so. Okay. Put that there. Probably a little bit less than that. There we go. That's a good theory going there for a minute, but probably these are all the same size. Yeah, if we take it easy on it, it might stay put. If it doesn't, it'll come out after me. That'll be interesting, right? Okay, slow her down a little bit. Oh yeah, all I'm asking. Run out before we get all the way out. Oh, we need it. It's hard to believe it's that far out around. Oh, that's bad. I don't think that's square. Should be. Cuts the same. Can't believe it's that far out around. Really hard to believe. Take it apart. Oh, wrong direction. This way. Move it. Put it back in. If it cuts the same, we're good. It's, again, we know it's bad. Oh, it's bad. I'm shocked. My setup sucks. I got some of a different setup. Alright. At least we know we're too big, so when we get close, we'll worry about it. You know, I didn't check. I didn't check to see if I needed to do this. That'd be a kick in the teeth, wouldn't it? Did it come with a new pressure plate? I didn't look. No. They're all the same thickness. Okay. Alright, I know I'm not screwing up now.